Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I install kinky twist on my hair. I did promise you, if you watch my last video, that I was gonna post the video up, and so here it is. And here I'm just moisturizing my hair, preparing to install a protective style. And I'll be using this Rasta free kinky hair extensions. I decided to buy hair in the color number 2, and I don't know what this brown blonde color is, but I just wanted to have a touch of gold, and going right into it, I started by doing some sections in the front. I was just gonna do like moon shape parts. I didn't want to do box braids, and since this was gonna be like jumbo parts, when I started, the parts were a little bit smaller and I had to kind of undo these ones later on, but this is how I started. And I'm doing the knotless method, where you kind of just twist your hair at the base, so I don't have any knots. I contemplated doing the common style, which it starts like a braid and then finishes with a twist, but I didn't like the look, so I decided to do the knotless method, which it's a little bit tricky, but I think I like the look better. It makes it look like it's your own hair. So I'm going to show you a close-up of how I do this method. But yeah, that's what it was looking like. I wanted them a little bit bigger than this, so when I went to the back section, I made them slightly bigger, and I had to, towards the end, I came back and I redid those ones in the front and made them bigger. Oh, just a quick reminder for all those who haven't subscribed already, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you will be informed whenever I post videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up too. All right. As you can see, it's a little bit more tricky when you're doing the back section, because it's really hard, to do that twisting motion when you can't really see what you're doing. And I didn't want to do it from the side, because it makes the twist to be kind of bent at the root to one side. So I really struggled there quite a bit, but it gets better as you move up. If you want to keep doing it this way, it gets better as you move up, but the ones at the bottom were a little bit more difficult to do. Yeah, so that's how it looks. It looks like it's your own hair that is twisted. That's why I like this method. it makes the twist look very natural. And also I love this size. This was really my ideal size. I'd done six twists at this point, and that's the only time that I was really satisfied with the size. So from then on, I was able to kind of adjust accordingly and do it just exactly how I wanted it. Another thing is, once I got the size that I wanted, I quickly realized that the 3 packs of extensions that I bought were not going to be sufficient. Luckily enough, I had an old pack of the same kind of kinky hair, not the same brand but similar kinky hair that I kind of had in my storage, and I just thought, okay, I'm going to use 3 strands of hair. It was gonna be possible to do it that way because I had the other extra hair from that I had stored. I mean, just saying, if you want to do this same size of twist, the 3 packs will probably not be enough. Maybe you can go for like 5 packs or 6. Yeah. So you notice how the base of this twist is kind of going to one side, and that's the thing I was explaining to you about, trying to twist the back using the same method. It's really hard. But I made it work, and I kept progressing. I really made good progress within like a very short time. I think it took me about maybe, I don't know, 3 hours to install this, because they're big twists, really easy to do. And I've been wanting to do this since forever. So finally, I'm really getting my jumbo twist. So I'm just going to show you like a close up of how I install the twist. All right. So there I am. I press my finger at the base and I twist from left to right. And then I hold it in one hand, take the other side, twist in the same direction from left to right. And when I have a firm grip, when I can feel that the base is really firm and tight, then I start twisting down. And that's it basically. Just remember that both sides have to be twisted in the same direction. If you do them in opposite directions, they will just come, the extensions will just come off. So you have to twist both sides in the same direction, regardless of which one you start with first. took us about 3 hours 30 minutes to finish this installation, and I was really loving the look. As you can tell, I've been wanting to do jumbo kinky twist for the longest time, and I'm just happy that I finally did it. I'm pretty sure I'll be going back to this style, and hopefully my parts will be neater. And I think, my skill will probably be, better, obviously. So that's the look, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm just trying to see different ways that I can, rock this twist. I decided to just put some mousse. I didn't even know it was gonna make any difference. This kinky hair is by nature a little bit rough, so it's really hard to get that smooth finish, to be honest. But anyway, I kind of like it. I like how it looks rough. It looks very natural. And so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye bye.